talk real quick about how to net a fish when you're by yourself. Get a lot of questions about this from clients during guide trips, as normally I'm the one that's netting the fish for them. They always want to know, when I'm out fishing by myself, what's the best way to land that fish by netting it by myself? So got a fish on here. A couple pointers I want to point out here. It's always good practice to have your rod pressure angled upstream, and you can see what that does to the fish here. That makes him swim upstream against the current. Okay, that's going to do a couple things that are advantageous for us. Number one, it's going to tire the fish out quicker, and it's also going to create pressure against our line to where it holds the hook into their mouth to make it more likely that I land the fish and those hooks hold. Okay. Number two, what it'll do is as it drives the fish upstream above me, when I get ready to net the fish, I'm gonna get my net ready, that fish is already above me, so when I lift, the current is gonna bring him all the way back to me, okay? And you can see there, it was very effortless. All I had to do was lift him up, and the current brought him right back to my open net. As opposed to if I was turned around, I'd be really overextended and trying to scoop that fish while the current's pulling it away. So that's the best way, I think, to net a fish when it comes to angling by yourself, and hopefully that tip helps you out.